Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be working out in the backyard, digging up some bushes. It's going to be a fun-filled day. We are first going to go and visit our local nursery. It is a huge nursery, Star Nursery. We love it there. They have a pond with koi fish, they have turtles, and it's just a really cool place to hang out and just get what you need. Get all your planty things and all your construction materials. They have that there. So you guys come along with us. If you like content like this, make sure you give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Okay, let's go. Ready? $100 for mandarins.
Yeah. 15 gallons. That's what we got when we first got ours.
Do you think so?
I know something. No pump pop stuff.
No? These are, this is one.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, they're almost all out.
Don't fall that way.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe how many this one?
Oh yeah. Should we get one? I think we should get one today.
I want to.
We like it. Hello you guys, we are in the backyard. I am in the backyard and I'm bringing you guys along because we actually did a little bit of work in our backyard yesterday, and I wanted to show you guys because it was just overgrown on the side of our house, and we had a whole bunch of bushes that were just tiny little like box hedges or something. I don't know what the real name of them is, but yeah, so they were growing like into the house, and the root system on those is not very like invasive or anything like that, but there was dirt like going up onto our house, so we had to just even that all out. So Eric did that with his rake, and he evened I can't talk right now. So he just took all the dirt and raked it down so it can be even, and he took all the plants out. I think there was like 7 or 8 bushes there, which was a lot of bushes to be like right on the side of your house, but I will show you how it looks.
Hi, you guys. So we was doing this one, our that was at work, and we like pretending we at work. And today it is a weekend, and we're going to take these plants out.
Oh, we're gonna dig them all up. So we already started, the boys started.
Yeah.
And we have all of these bushes that are not doing so well right here next to our house. Look at all of our workers. So cute. What?
Just the type of roots there. It's like a plant.
The carries.
Yeah.
Daddy, can you hold it? I want to see underneath. Whoa! A big water line! Our tire broke.
Oh no.
Oh, you do this one all by yourself.
Whoa!
Got it?
Yeah.
You want Daddy to put a shovel?
Can you take it and pull it up a little bit? Or do you want me to try to push it? Ready?
Yeah.
It's all you, bud. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull.
Woo! I got my first
Hey, Chubster.
I
Who's that? Hello.
Good work, kid.
Daddy told me to use it.
Yeah. Woo!
I want it.
What do you have? Ready. Hi. And basically all of the bushes have been removed, and it looks so much better in really nice and clean lines. But if you can tell, like down there is where the dirt was all the way up to that line, and so it was causing rust to form because there's like whatever they built the house with, the metal pieces there, that was water was getting up into there, so we just didn't want to get any damage. So we went ahead and removed all those bushes, and now I have to figure out what to put here because look how bare it looks, right? It looks really bare, but it's kind of nice because it's like clean lines as well. So I'm gonna have to think about this, and maybe I can go to like Home Goods and see if they have any like backyard decor. Yeah, so basically that's how it looks, you guys, and I'm really happy how it turned out. Eric and the boys did so much work back here, and I'm really happy. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I hope that you guys will give me a thumbs up. If you can, share this video with at least one person. That would help me out so much, you guys. So I will catch you in the next one. Bye.